everybody. Today we're moving on to the next very interesting perceptual skill, and that is visual discrimination. Now, what is visual discrimination? That is the ability to recognize similarities and differences by using our eyes. Now, we might ask each other, why is this so important? This is really the basic building blocks for future reading and spelling skills. If there is a backlog in this area, your child or the children in your class might find it difficult to distinguish between letters, sounds, words. If you look at letters or sounds as we call it, such as b, d and p, they might find it very, very difficult to recognize the differences between those sounds. It might also be very difficult for them to discriminate between words such as car and can. Right, parents and teachers, what can we do to improve our visual discrimination skills? We can start with the very basics by letting our children sort objects, like sorting different kinds of buttons. You know, we all have buttons somewhere in our home. Collect them, let the children sort it according to color or according to shape. This is also very, very good for color recognition. Then I've got something interesting here. What you'll need for this exercise is an egg tray. You will need tweezers and you will need a few beads. And now the exciting part starts, because now we're going to start to incorporate fine motor skills, which we learned about in the previous two sessions, with the visual discrimination activity. Let the children try and pick up the beads with the tweezers and put it in the egg tray. Let them sort this according to color. Right, then you can also get some cutlery from your kitchen, unpack it and let your children have a look at it. Let them see, right, here they can see 4 spoons and they see a fork. Which one does not fit there? Then they can maybe show you, it's the fork, mommy or teacher. But very important, don't let them just tell you it's the fork. Let them tell you why. Because all of the rest are spoons. Now we've got one more very exciting activity for today, and that is really sorting anything that you can find in nature. That can be leaves, it can be shells, it can be feathers, it can be flowers. Make a very, very simple data mat. Here I just used a piece of plastic and we collected some leaves. So what we did here, the children just sorted the leaves and we've packed it on this graph. This is really the very start of maths, because we're teaching them to read graphs. They didn't only sort the leaves, they can also tell you where can they see the most, which column has the most leaves and which column has the least leaves. So you can see how exciting this is getting. I'm going to call Bailey and Ava now to show you exactly what we have in mind with all of these activities.